Found a BCX file from an old Outlook backup and need to get at the contact data inside? This is a data exchange file from Microsoft's retired CRM add-in. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract and migrate your business contacts from these BCM data files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized BCX tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. BCX files are data exchange files created by Microsoft Business Contact Manager for Outlook, used to transfer business contact databases between computers or Outlook installations. They contain exported business contacts, accounts, opportunities, communication history, and custom field data packaged for portable transfer and import operations. BCX data exchange files use a proprietary package format containing serialized database records from Business Contact Manager, including contact and account entities, relationship mappings, custom field schemas, and activity history records. The format facilitates offline transfer of BCM data between different Outlook and BCM installations. To ensure best performance with BCX, always start with Microsoft Outlook from Microsoft Corporation. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows offers a partial view only, so reading the data requires a full database environment. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your BCX file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your BCX file is not opening yet, that is normal. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the BCX format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, importing in BCM. If Business Contact Manager is installed, open Outlook and navigate to Business Contact Manager, then Manage Databases, then Import. Select the BCX file and follow the import wizard to load the business contacts accounts and related data into your current BCM database, merging or replacing existing records as configured. Next, extracting contact data. If BCM is not available, try renaming the BCX file to BUAT-zip and attempt extraction, since some BCM export formats use zip packaging. Examine extracted contents for XML or CSV data files containing contact records. Use the extracted data to manually import contacts into your current CRM or email application. Finally, migrating to modern CRM. Export or extract contact data from the BCX file and format it as CSV for import into modern CRM platforms like Microsoft Dynamics 365, HubSpot, or Salesforce. Map field names from the BCM schema to your target CRM's contact fields and use the platform's import wizard to load the migrated business contact records. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.